The family of BJD leader Pranab Prakash Das, popularly known as Bobby Das, has strongly denied allegations over the use of sacred stones meant for the Puri temple project. The controversy erupted after claims surfaced that valuable Khondalite stones worth crores of rupees and intended for the Sri Mandir Parikrama project were used in his residence. Responding to the allegations, Das' uncle, Jajati Keshri Das, clarified that the stones used in the house are neither Khondalite nor sourced from the temple project. He stated that all construction materials were legally purchased from the Jodhpur region of Rajasthan. He also emphasized that the property is jointly owned by multiple family members and not solely by Bobby Das. Calling the allegations politically motivated, the family claimed that attempts are being made to tarnish his public image. The issue gained momentum after members of the Sri Jagannath Sena lodged a complaint at the Singhadwar police station in Puri. Meanwhile, Bobby Das has not yet issued any public statement on the matter.
और द्वितीय कथा हूँ खंडलाइट स्टोन खंडे लगी घरे जोधपुर सैंडस्टोन खंडे घरे लगी ये घर पुराना घर साधुओं घर उपर घर फाउंडेशन इंजीनियर मैंने मना कले बहुत स्ट्रंग फाउंडेशन अच्छी खाली आप छात बदल जाए ये घर भी पुराना घर ये घर थी पथर मो ना किनाई लगा गत 4 वर्ष भितर